wait is over. Android 10 is officially here. Well, for Pixel users anyway. The newest version of Android is starting to roll out this afternoon, bringing features like a system-wide dark mode and overhauled gesture navigation to Google's flagship line of phones. Devs have been able to play with the beta since March, when the operating system was still called Android Q. Last month, the company announced that it was discontinuing dessert-based names in favor of a straight numbering system, since the foods chosen weren't always well known and could lead to pronunciation problems in some countries. So no, Android Quince? Instead, it's called Android 10, and a few of its biggest improvements are focused on digital wellness. For example, if you want to lessen distractions when trying to work, a new focus mode can shut off alerts and notifications while letting important things like messages from your kids still get through. And you can remotely manage your kids' phone usage too, setting time limits and reviewing app requests on their device from your own. Android 10 will also feature live captioning of videos, eventually. It was one of the more impressive demos at Google I/O back in May, but it won't actually be available until later this fall. And there's support for foldable phones like the upcoming Galaxy Fold, though we'll have to wait at least a few weeks and probably quite a bit more before we can see what's been improved there. Right now though, it's only Pixel phones that will benefit from the update, but users of other companies' devices need not despair. We should see announcements from rivals like Samsung, Sony, and Lenovo on Android 10 availability soon, especially when Google stated it's working with partners to launch or upgrade devices to Android 10 this year. For those announcements, keep an eye on Engadget and like and subscribe to see more videos about all the hot flagship phones coming out this fall.